APLD stock analysis and APLD stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating this. It's all on my YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years. But relatively speaking, I'm looking to take it further up. You know what I mean? Like, I started making predictions when it was at $5. And from those $5, this thing went from, like, you can see it was like literally $5 right here. And this was like a month ago. It's from those 5 it went to 15, and then the way up I got 2 longs. Then all I've been waiting for is a double break, and honestly, if there is a double break here, I'm still looking to take it further up. Now it's not the best, right, because it's kind of puncturing through this supply. I don't doubt that there could be a shift and a confirmation, but obviously it could take time, and I'm here waiting, obviously not trying to assume things. But yeah, if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried it, and I'll continue to see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.